Good morning, children. Welcome to class 6. Hope you are fine at your homes. Stay at your homes and stay safe. Today we are going to start the civics part of social science. And the name of the chapter is diversity. Now, diversity. One thing I want to mention, we have divided the chapter into two topics. Today we will discuss the first topic. The topic is meaning of diversity and its reasons. Meaning. Diversity refers to a wide variety of something. It helps us understand that each individual is unique and also teaches us to recognize our individual differences. Diversity. Diversity means the differences among us. For example, if I say that there are so many children in your class, but are they all same? No. They all come from different backgrounds, isn't it? Everybody is different in its own way. This is called diversity. Diversity means our differences. That every individual is unique and not as same as the other. Diversity teaches us that there is differences around us in the society and also makes us understand the importance of these differences also. As because see, it is told, variety is the spice of life. If everything would have been same, it would have been so boring, isn't it? Diversity adds a special spice, a special charm to our lives. Unity. Now after diversity, we have to know what is unity. Unity is to live in harmony. Harmony means to live in prosperity and in peace, in happiness. It's opposite of being divided. Unity means that we are not divided. We are all together. This is a word for togetherness. Now children, you are now familiar with the term diversity and unity. Now we are going to understand what is unity in diversity. See, I have mentioned earlier only that diversity is everywhere in the society. There are different types of people, different people with different backgrounds. Diversity is everywhere. But to live in a society together in peace, harmony and happiness, we have to make a tolerable adjustment. Hence, living together in peace and harmony, accepting all the differences, is called unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. It is a concept of tolerance. Tolerance, I told, to adjust amidst difference, enriching human interactions. What is the meaning of interactions? Interaction means our behavior, how we meet, interact with other people, how we accept people. Now, reasons of diversity. This is very important, children, because you will have questions on this also. Reasons of diversity. We have divided the reasons of diversity into 4 subdivisions: traditions, regional differences, food patterns and religious belief. Next children, I would discuss all the reasons I have mentioned in details. Traditions. Man is a social animal and prefer to live in groups. We never live alone. We cannot live alone. We need a society, at least a family to live together. Otherwise, we cannot survive. And here, when we live in groups, we learn from our elders. Thus, tradition is the continuation of custom, belief, etc. from generation to generation. Children, tradition. Tradition is the following of all our elders have taught us. Our forefathers have taught us. Whatever they have practiced, customs, beliefs, to make a continuity in our generation also. This is called tradition. After this, regional differences. Regional differences. What do you mean by regional differences? We all live in a particular region and there is a big impact of our environment on us. All the people around us, our surroundings, everything make a deep impact on us. And we are influenced by our regional differences. People from one part of the country may be totally different from people in other part of the country. Regional differences. The word regional relate us to a particular areas in a country. As I mentioned earlier only, people living in a particular area get influenced by the people and environment surrounding them. Now, next is food pattern. The availability of food in a particular region sets a pattern of food preferences. Availability of food matters a lot. Suppose people who live in the coastal areas near rivers or seas, they prefer to be fish eaters. Whereas places where agricultural lack is there, that means production level is not so much, most of the people are meat eaters. We also find that in some areas like Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, most people prefer rice compared to those people living in the area of Punjab, Haryana. Those areas are wheat producing areas and people there prefer taking chapatis and rotis rather than rice. Now we come to the conclusion of our first topic and we will end with religious belief. That means the fourth and final reason of diversity. Different people believe in different forms of God and follow different rituals and customs. For example, Hindus go to the temple but Muslims go to the mosque. Our culture, tradition, everything becomes different here. The rituals, the way of pray or worshipping is totally different. Hence, we find that in religious ground also there are many differences among us. So children, let us make a quick recap of what we have learned today. First, what is diversity? Second, what is unity? What is unity in diversity? Diversity means differences. Unity means togetherness. And unity in diversity means searching for togetherness in diversity, in differences. Next, we come to the reasons of diversity. There are 4 reasons of diversity: traditions, regional differences, food patterns and religious belief. Traditions which we are following generation to generation, these are different for different people. Regional differences, that means the differences which we have because of staying in different regions of the country. Food patterns, staying in different regions make us eat different foods which are available properly there. And last is religious belief. We all worship God in different ways. We have our own rituals and customs to follow. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.